Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken in BloodStrike. Kraken is a powerful character, and understanding his core mechanics is crucial. First, learn his basic attack and movement. Then, practice activating his primary ability, which creates a damaging zone. Finally, save his ultimate for when enemies are grouped together, maximizing its impact and turning the tide of battle. Mastering these fundamentals is your first step. Once you grasp the basics, focus on strategic deployment. Always aim to place Kraken's abilities where they can hit multiple targets or deny an area. Work closely with your teammates. A well-timed Kraken ultimate can clear a path for a push or defend a crucial point. Remember to use his mobility to get into advantageous positions or to quickly disengage when overwhelmed. Smart positioning makes a huge difference. Kraken truly shines in team play. Pair him with allies who can stun or slow enemies, making it easier to land your abilities. Pay attention to enemy team compositions. Some characters are more susceptible to Kraken's damage. Also, adapt your strategy to the map. On maps with tight corridors, Kraken's area of effect skills are incredibly potent. Understanding these interactions elevates your game. To truly master Kraken, consistent practice is key. Spend time in training modes to perfect your ability timing and aim. Watching skilled players can also provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and positioning. Don't be afraid to experiment with different weapon combinations that enhance Kraken's strengths. With dedication, you'll become a formidable force on the battlefield, dominating with Kraken's unique power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.